Myrtle Beach is a very attractive real estate market. Those of us who live and work here know what we've got, but the word is getting out to buyers around the country. Myrtle Beach is a great place to buy property. My business has always been focused on purchase transactions. I partner with great real estate agents who are kind enough to refer their clients to me, and I appreciate these partnerships. The Real Estate Roundtable brought together many of these great partners who shared their ideas, their tactics, and their insight into how to make people around the country realize just how great Myrtle Beach is.
I think many buyers are attracted to the Myrtle Beach area, one, due to the affordable housing, two, amenities that attract all ages, the beach, world-class shows and theaters, and of course golf courses in the excess of 100, and also the simple lifestyle overall that all those amenities do offer allow people to really call the Grand Strand home and enjoy it.